But I'm filming him. I'm filming him. He's trying to get in your car. Wait. I don't know what the hell is in the car. He sees his reflection. He thinks it's somebody else. There it is. Look at that. Oh. It looks like he's trying to, he sees his reflection. Oh, wait a minute. Now, oh my God, he's coming over here. It's unbelievable. Look at this. Is unbelievable. He just attacked me. Oh my God, what is going on with this bird? He must know me or something. Oh, you know what's going on here? Let me see if he comes back over here. It's amazing. Here you go, buddy. Here we go. This is crazy. What is he doing? Hey, come here. Come here, buddy. I don't know what he's looking for, but he's trying to get inside your car. Maybe you got something locked up in it. Maybe you got a bug in there or something? No. This is crazy. What the heck? Alright. I'm going to turn my car off. Oh, there he goes. I had to make a noise.